Hello, good afternoon, everyone. And I'm just showing a very small video and showcasing some of the work, and there should be some of the links and interfaces where you have to go through to install the Power BI software. So here you can see that in the search engine bar, I have typed installed Power BI, and I'm just going to click onto this link, download Microsoft Power BI, and this will be the web page that will be showing up. Then now you can see in the red color button, it's a download button. It's available here. If I just click on it, it will be taking me to this page. So why Power BI? The Power BI advantages could be the right choice for any business. If it is a big, medium, or small that is looking for reporting and analytical capabilities beyond the Microsoft Excel, as it others easy data visualization and analysis across the entire business and gets deep insights into the business operations and performances. So we have to click here onto the setup that is ending with underscore x64.exe, and we have to click onto the next button, and we will see that it will start preparing the downloading for us. If you can see that that my setup is already going to be download almost, and it says that only 2 minutes left for this. And because I have already installed this setup with me, so what you have to do is you have to just, once it's downloaded, it will be available here, like this whole setup of this PBI desktop. You have to click on it and you have to run the setup. That's it. That's the easy step. That what you have to do is once you run the setup, and it will automatically install the Power BI within the next 3 to 4 minutes, or maximum up to 5 minutes. So this is the Power BI very first interface that you will be able to see that, and it will be showing up you the screen. And on the right hand side you can see that the very first interface. You can just also cross this one, but it's just giving you some information, and this pop-up window will be appearing time to time. Every after 2-3 usages of this one, it will be coming back again, because it's asking you, giving you some of the information about what's news, the Power BI blog, the forums, more tutorial views, and you can click on to get started, or you can just click on the cross button, and here this is the whole full interface of the Power BI. You would be able to find it. So there are the three views that will be showing up on the left hand side: the report view, data view, and model view. While on the right hand side we'll be having another three views, that the data, visualization, and the filter. If I will just like expanding this all of the windows, this will be coming up. So we will be working within these three windows as well, just to visualize our data. So this is the whole interface that you will be able to see that, and that's the end of this one. And it's a very pretty straightforward. It's easy to download it, and it's easy to install it. I have shown you. You just have to write onto the Google and then go to the setup, click on download, then click on to the setup that is ending with 64.exe. Once it's downloaded into your downloads folder, click on it and run the setup, and it will take another 3 to 4 minutes just to see this software interface that is coming up, showing up to you right now here. And it's fully installed, and it's free of cost. It's not going to ask any subscription, any putting your email address, sign in, sign up things. So that's pretty straightforward. And as you know that it is a phenomenal tool for the organization looking to launch, prioritize, and grow their business through data-driven intelligence efforts. And not surprisingly, then the Power BI advantages have made this Microsoft product one of the most popular data analytics platforms in the world, with the 2021 case study that was the Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BI platform, naming it as a market leader for the 14th year in a row. So thanks very much indeed for being with me for this small video, and I hope that you'll be able to install it quickly, and see you in class soon. Thanks very much, and have got a wonderful day.